Hi guys, and welcome to a quick video for a couple of toys. Wife and Alf. I've got this, the WA4037, that's the turbo nozzle for the hydroshot, and this, which is the WA4013, which is the short lance. I'm just going to be having a look at these today, seeing is this really worth like the 24 quid that I paid for it. As always, my reviews are honest, and we'll be able to find out. So let's get on with it. So we've got this hydroshot. It's ready to go, primed, and it does a very good job. I mean, if I take the ground here, I could scribble my name in it. It's good. Could it be better? Could it be turbo good? Well, it's time to go turbo. I'm gonna open it. It's live, as always. One take malark that I do. Gives it a more sense of realism, I think. So yeah, let's go turbo. Let's have a look. Obviously, you probably won't be able to see it on the video, but I'll have a quick look and then I shall show you the difference. Okay, that's not what I thought it did. I don't know what your expectation of it was. My expectation was some kind of high velocity nozzle. It's not. Let me pan the camera down and show you, because so what it actually is isn't what you thought it was. Just straighten this out. So the normal nozzle obviously does several different types of beam. Straight, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and rain shower, which is it's for watering your plants. The turbo nozzle surprised me somewhat. I can see what they're doing with it. It's pretty cool, and I think for anyone who's ever a doubter of the hydroshot on patio should pay attention to this. There's a bit of air in the hose, haven't used it very much, and we are in the middle of February. So the turbo mode does actually do a turbo, quite literally. It rotates, and as you can see here, the concrete is very, very nice and shiny and clean. We'll continue doing a bit more. So, the Worx Turbo is literally a rotational turbo device. I mean, I will say, I couldn't have done the exact same thing with the standard straight nozzle, not in that length of time anyway. Let's have a look, see whether or not the short lance does any different, see whether or not the short lance, I'm thinking the short lance maybe, is it shorter, might have less compression, I don't know, let's not hypothesize. Let's just see what it's like, see if it's any different, see if it's noticeably different really. Slice my hand off live on video. Not only that, I mean I have to take the second take. So the short lance. It's worth noting as well, if you've never actually seen the hydroshot, just puts out a glorified amount of hose. The short lance should enable me to get in closer, smaller range. One of my complaints from the original video I done on the Worx hydroshot brushless was the fact being you had to sort of do this when you're in the car. Wasn't too glamorous and is a bit tight around some spaces. I feel the short lance is maybe a little bit too short. Works. You're listening. Can we have a medium sized one? Sort of, I don't know, maybe not extra large, not microscopic, just average. Without further ado, let's have a look and see whether or not it's any different. I'll compare both hoses and give you a personal opinion, because I doubt you'll be able to see it in the video, but let's go back down here. It's the same, definitely. So yeah, there you go. You want to know how magic works? If you look down the end here, where's the lens? There it is. You can't see because it won't focus on it, but there's a little ball that sort of rotates round, and as it spins, it chucks water out in different directions. It is very cool. I will give it that. Question is it really sort of £24 cool? I'm gonna have to say no, it's not really quite £24 cool. What it is if you're doing patios and you doubt this product, it's for you. It definitely is. I dare say that on lesser models as well, it might give that little tiny extra oomph. But you've got to bear in mind, it is a quarter of the price of the whole hydroshot just for a nozzle. Short lance is too short. Yeah, you can't satisfy me, I know. Yeah, the short lance is too short. I can see it trying to do stuff on the ground, it's too far down and you have to bend over to like get stuff. It's probably good. I don't know, for example, my number 3 shed is very dirty now, so you can't complain at it for that. Well, I can't, to be honest. It is worth it. It's a bit gimmicky and it's a bit niche, but it is worth it for what it is. I'm a bit borderline on it. Using it on far away, it does give a decent spray pattern in all fairness, and it does work close up, saves you having to switch between nozzle modes. Yeah, it is worth it. I still think it's a little bit pricey for what it is. it's well constructed. It's a solid piece of kit. Same with the shaft, really. It's quite lucky. I picked this up for like 20 quid on Amazon. You can too if you get there right now. I don't think it's adjustable in any way, because I think it'll just rotate on the shaft. Oh, it is adjustable. What does it adjust? This might be its saving grace. Let's. Was it just going to undo? It's going to undo. Don't do that. But it does give us a chance to have a look at the internal workings and see that you got this bit of nylon that rotates. That's all that is. So yeah, there you go. That's the Worx hydroshot turbo nozzle adapter. Just make sure it still works. Yep. Even if you're silly and undo it, it still works. What do we want for a nice guy? Halfway house then. Not really, I think it just undoes. I don't know. I think it just undoes. I don't think it's actually a setting per se. It's cool, I quite like it. I'm getting used to it. I'm liking it more and more as the video goes on. You probably like hang around for like 25 minutes and I'll really like it, but let's not do that. It's a nice quick video. Short shaft, too short. Turbo nozzle has its application. There we go. Take care of yourself, guys, and I'll speak to you again in the next video. Ooh, what should I do for the next video? Make a promise that I can't keep. Let's do the Worx Pegasus. I've had it quite a while now, and yeah, I've got some interesting things to say about the Worx Pegasus. Some good, some not so good. No, they're all constructive. Yeah, see you in the next video, guys.